Okay. So yeah. Why I cannot hide it? Okay. So it's Friday. Let's maybe chill a little bit and watch the video. Friend of mine
Hi, my name is Peyton Arrett.
said this is Arc browser is cool and super handy to use compared to Chrome, for example. But yeah, so far my experience is I only like this full screen look. It's looks so nice. Apart from this, I'm not sure I'm so efficient with Chrome. But yeah, I'm trying to learn it. Let's see.
Arrett. I'm the CEO of the browser company, and I'm definitely not a spy from Google Chrome. A little birdie told me that Arc is launching some great new sharing features today. So I'm gonna try to social engineer my way into figuring out what's happening. I think Rosie is demoing a new feature right now. Let me see if I can get her to share a sneak peek with me. Yo, Rosie.
So starting today in Arc, you'll be able to share folders with other people, whether they're an Arc user or not. Let's say, for example, that I want to share some documents with a teammate. I can take this folder and I can hit share and create a shared link. Oh, looks like I got a text from my friend Pate. He wants to know if I have any recommendations for dinner in Honolulu. So I can just copy a link to this one and go ahead and send it to Pate, who can see it on Chrome all at once.
Aha, a folder from Rosie. Ah, we've got some tabs. Oh, and they open right here. Oh, this is actually a pretty cool way to share a link. It's okay. I can see the appeal.
So in addition to sharing folders, you can also share spaces. I'm going to share this space of costume ideas and apple picking options and Airbnbs with my partner. So I just go here, click share, and they have Arc, so it'll open right in their sidebar. So go to messages. Oh, what's this? Hi, my name is Peyton Arrett, and I just joined the browser company. Could you share some key company documents so I get on? Excited to make magic together. Sure, that doesn't seem fishy at all. I'll go over to this space, click share, and send it on over to Peyton.
Aha, a space from Patrick? They did spaces too? This is like a whole Arc space. Inside Chrome? I'm kind of scared for us.
Now I'm going to go over to Omar and show you one more thing you can share from Arc.
So in addition to sharing folders and spaces in Arc, you can also share split views. So we've got this bird watching split view that has my articles on the left and Wikipedia on the right, where I can look up these birds. So I can just right click, share the split view, and I can see a toast for it. So I hear this guy named Peyton Arrett has been creeping around and trying to hack into our code base. I can send him the split view here, and right click, share split view, and I will send this over to my pal Pete, see what he has to say.
A split view? You can share splits too? They've really outdone themselves. We don't even have split views at Google. I'm starting to think it may be time for me to give this Arc thing a try. Maybe the end of my Google days. I don't know what I'm doing. This is an existential crisis. I don't know about this, man.
Okay, I know what you may be thinking. What's the big deal? Why is Peyton Arrett here? I don't get it. But if you squint, I think it does show you where all of this is going, which is there are these things in your life that matter. And the things in your life that matter revolve around people, your colleagues, your classmates, your family, your friends. And it is crazy that in 2023, when all of the other software we love has those people at the core of it, the browser is this dumb, isolated shell with no humanity whatsoever. And where it can go is tremendous. So it's day one at your company, you're onboarding someone new. With a single link, you can give them the ideal internet for their first week in their company. It's Sunday, you're watching the Bears play, good luck. Send your buddy a split screen setup that has a live stream on one side, has Twitter on the other. Imagine if Twitter wasn't full of hot takes, but it was full of gems from the internet that the people you admire were sharing with you. So yes, today they are links, and they are links that have other links in them, but in the future we are gonna bring these people into Arc. We are gonna make the experience feel alive, because that's what we want from our software. Okay, all that being said, we are not gonna lose sight of what matters. All of you telling us what was broken. Out of nowhere, we saw this influx of new Arc members from South Korea. I said hello on Twitter, what could be better? Turns out, the Korean language just doesn't work very well in Arc. Thank you for letting us know. Max, Patrick L, this was a gnarly one. They went deep. Now you can use the Korean characters in Arc's command bar and it will work perfectly. Speaking of languages, Arc is really going global. We noticed that if you ask a question to Arc Max in another language, we reply in English. We fixed it. Thank you, Nathan. Finally, Kayla's been on a tear. I love Notion. I don't know what notes app you use, but now if you go to Arc settings, you can change the default notes app in Arc. So whenever you go Command T new note, it'll go to Notion, Google Docs. I don't know what people use these days, but it'll go to it. Now you can make the internet really feel like your internet. Thank you, Caleb. All right, that's it for this week. Whether you're an ARC member, a spy from Chrome, we love you all. Please do us a favor. Go create a folder, put some internet goodies in it, hit that share button, send it to someone you love. If you're an ARC member, a spy from Chrome, we love you all. All right, that's it for this week. Whether you're in Google Docs, I don't know what people use these days. It'll go to Notion, Team New Note. It'll go to settings. You can change the deep.
New document. I don't know. I'm using Notion standalone app, but yeah. So far, my experience with this Arc browser isn't like cool. I would say I'm happy more with my Chrome experience. But I like the idea. There's something like different approach, and I really like how it looks. Yeah, this whole full screen mode looks really nice. But anyway, let's move on. Some free music. So liquid. Oh no, sorry, not this one. Tutorial. So where we are now? So yeah, I did good progress on Wednesday evening. I wasn't sure how to explain all this big piece of code, and I come up with idea just put the comment to almost every line, and it kind of makes sense to me. Because it's like hard if you start to split it into pieces. It's so disconnected from each other, and I'm not sure how represent it in text format really good. I think it will be much better. Not will be, but it could be much better in the video format. So I'm going to make this text version and then make a video where I can explain some parts with visualization, which at least for me it always much easier to understand with some visualization than just reading the code. I also need to add some screenshots here, but yeah, maybe I'll left it to the end. So yeah, let's where it was. Yeah, this is code so far for blog post. Maybe let's run. Okay, there is already something on port 8081. So let's kill this process and run new. and open as. So let me see. Okay, this is where we stop. And now let's now when we have clip area, let's add some text. Okay. So yeah, using text in Skia wasn't straightforward for me, so let's maybe move to the new tab. So here we have text. And text is required font. And font we initialize with a real file. So yeah, Roboto Bolt, okay. Skia text. Sorry. Skia text component require font. So let's download Roboto bold font. Okay. And put it into assets directory. Oh, I think I haven't downloaded it, I think. So now we have it, and yeah, we can do Roboto Bolt TTF place to I don't know where we are. Now we can create font. And how we did it before. I think I need to open my Twitch. Hey Dix, how you doing? Yeah, thanks. A bit sleepy today, but still trying to progress with my blog post. Really want to finish it this week. Actually, the blog posts is the part I don't really love to do, but it's kind of necessary. It's good preparation for the video, and also it's like good promotion for the video, because it's better searchable in the Google when you have some blog post and you put the link on the video. So usually what I'm doing, so I do some post and put the link to my video first, and then people who prefer this just in text can use it. But yeah, if you like me, I'm usually prefer to see how people create things, and I can kind of learn from it, because in such format there is usually not always clear where you should put it, like piece of codes, it's not clear, like whole structure. It's kind of works, but you can when people do it on video, it's like more clear what's going on. So yeah, this is why I'm doing the blog post. And yeah, right now we're adding text. So use font. We need to use font. I like this feature when you select something, it shows you references. Really nice. I think I can just copy paste. Okay, use font, auto import, then require fonts, and yeah, like this, and font size. How we doing font size? Is it Okay. By default we're doing radius divided by 2. Font size is half of the radius, and use font size here. Create font with font file and size. All right. We have font. Let's add text. This to text is basically the same, except the color. This is whole point, to have like part which is under the water is different color than not covered by the field part. And we need to set position. So text translate x is basically radius minus half of the text width. And the text width and the text is so convert volume to string, get text width. It's just kind of obvious. Calculate text exposition to center it horizontally. Okay. and text which will be drawn above the wave. So color, we need text color. And text transform. Text transform.
Bend over backwards and over again. I'm jumping through.
There is some calculation.
Making you smile as long as I can. Storm clouds are coming, and it's best if you prepare. But if we get tomorrow, promise I can try. Give you love to borrow, if just to get us by. And sometime when you're ready, I'll soften up the blow. Love was never
So we interpolate
I don't wanna give
position from 0 to 1 and initial position
to hold on to. To hold on to. Too many takers.
margin.
I let you hear music and covered your bruises. So if we get tomorrow, I promise I can try. Give you love to borrow, if just to get us by. Sometime when you're ready.
Yeah, I think for the tutorial we need to simplify it. Definitely, so
I don't wanna give you back. To hold on to.
you need this one and
To hold on to. To hold on to.
so we need fill circle margin plus fill circle radius multiply by 2 minus so this is supposed to be size actually minus font size divided by 2. I think this should work. And let's take a look. Yeah, we need to reload. We added the font. I don't know, maybe we need restart our server. Interesting. Let's take a look. Use font. So we in src directory we do double dot, so we should be in the root. Assets is here, font, and oh, it's Roboto regular. I think it's Copilot trick us out. Now it's loaded, but we don't see. Okay, we see text, but it's completely in the wrong place. So it's centered by horizontally, but here yeah, I think it's supposed to be like this. It's kind of lower than we want. I don't know. It's like 68. Yeah, it looks like I don't fully understand how it works, because I did some magic trick like this. What if we do just size, half size? So 0 is here. Okay. Okay, I think I have idea why it's happened. So instead of Walla, let's do some capital letters. And if we do what if we do, I don't know, it's maybe React Native. Is there a way to set some background for the text? Maybe style? What is the style? Strong join. Opacity, width, blend mode. Style, paint style. Fill and stroke. No. It's not what we need. Yeah, exactly. This is cool. Can create a pass and then draw the text over this pass. It's good to know. Glyph positions and paint attributes specific to the text. Not sure how it's different from just text, but anyway. So once again, text transform. If I set 0, and if I set size mouse font size, so you see it's not like font is not centered inside his rectangle, so we need to apply this, and I don't know how to get. Is there maybe glyph size? Yeah, basically you see it's not like each glyph stick to each other. Even we don't do any offset here, we just do font size and font size, and it's not centered. So that's why we can apply some manually founded coefficient. 0.6. I don't know, maybe, especially if it's not AA. Yeah, it looks kind of centered. Maybe yeah. And let's pick the color. So wave text color will be like this. Yeah, I think this is the effect we was looking for, and now what the hell did happen here? I don't know. But anyway, again, I doubt about those. Like, should I split and explain by few lines, and then I think it's kind of losing context. So I probably would like to add whole snippet here, like whole text snippet, I would say. So let's have calculate center vertical center position. Half canvas size minus half font size, but since characters isn't centered inside font rect, we do 7 instead of 0.5. Okay. I think I can.
Did I lose this chance? One last dance with my shaking hands. I can barely stand. Did I do too much? Did I push you away? I was in a rush, I'm sorry. And I know that you'll forget. I wake up in the night in a cold sweat to face it. Is it over first now before it began? I know it's crazy, but in my mind I had plans. I had plans. Did I lose this chance for one last dance with my shaking hands? I can barely ask. We got runaway plans. Baby, where do you wanna go? I'm scared to, but I'll never let go.
Okay. Yeah.
Will I find you somehow? I hope you're okay. All those memories
Yeah, looks good. We need to add maybe a bit of explanation here what we did. So we added font and calculate the text position. Explain it in the code comments. Then we added two text components. One render about the water wave and another under the water wave. Would give us nice effect. The text is in the water. I don't know, something like this. This is probably what I wanted to do for today. Need to go to my daily job, so let's commit the results. It's pretty good. We added text, and then next part will be animations, so quite close. Text is added. Oh, with same prompts but different colors. I think this is one of the point. This might be unobvious when you look at the code. So yeah. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's try I think we can. Hey, Joseph. But yeah, what we're doing here is it's not SVG, it's Skia, which have similar API as SVG. So yeah, right now we're on the Skia topic, not SVG, but I think you can animate SVG with just animated, but I don't think it's a good idea because most likely it will be laggy. It depends. If it's really simple SVG, it probably will be fine. But if it will be more complex, then definitely not cool, because yeah, it's animation on JavaScript thread and it will be concurrent with your or other logic. No, not concurrent, it will be block each other. So this is not cool. But yeah, I cannot really answer from top of my head how to do it. To be honest, I haven't used animated API for a while. Yeah, to be honest, there is some bugs with related to SVG, reanimated, and things like this. I actually have I have this tutorial. I guess it's something what you're trying to do. And while I created it, I also faced some issues. But as I remember, it was fixed by, I don't know, software mention maintain it. Yeah, this should work. So, yeah, now maybe let's go to Twitch. Is there
So in
any
this example, we're going to serve a JSON file.
React Native? No.
Um,
How can I filter it? Oh. Okay, I'll probably just raid the Adrian again. No, I don't think so. Reanimated nowadays. The version 1 was really hard to use. It's really complicated. Has really complicated API, but in version 2.3 they did great work, and it's quite straightforward. I don't know if you want to watch more content on Reanimated, just super cool channel is William. I don't know, copy link address. Yeah, those people are cool. Yeah, I've followed him for I don't know how many years already, but yeah, William definitely is moving forward React Native community. I think there is more people like I don't know if I will be able to find this guy. Yeah, this one is doing really interesting content about reanimated animations. So definitely recommend. But yeah, I need to go now, so let's just rate Adrian.
Hey, welcome Raiders. How's he doing? Hey Demodev, welcome Raiders. What were you working on today? I did shout out the right person. Good. Oh, I get the TypeScript REPL. Nice. Working a blog post for Reactive Native. A Reactive Native tutorial. Nice. I never looked into React Native. Seems like a nice thing. The dev dad is using it a lot, I think. So if I want to install this thing, I just have to npm install it. -g tsnode. So then what I would just do like that, I guess. I guess not. Unknown file extension, okay. How do you run a file with this thing? If you want iOS and Android mobile, React Native is the preferred choice. Nice. It should just be tsnode path. Modules not found, so